Well, here we are at Lab Innovations on a second day for Lab Innovations 2023, and very much part of being here is catching up with customers and people that we already know, as well as meeting new faces. And so it's my great pleasure to introduce John Edwards, who is going to tell us a little bit about himself and the company that he operates in. So John, over to you.
Hi, thanks very much. So Marfleet Analytical, do I take it? Yeah. Marfleet Analytical is a contract test laboratory, and we're testing pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals and materials and products. We've had a big need over the years for heavy metal analysis, which we identified and we wanted to start doing in-house, and so we outreached to Paul and the SciMed crew to actually give us that solution, and we are absolutely delighted that in January this year we started talking to yourselves, and then in September we had installed an ICP-MS to set up and actually fulfill all our customers' requirements. And it's absolutely fantastic because we've got Matt and David who've come in and actually been able to provide the training, the support and the technical advice, as well as just setting it up, actually helping us actually to set it up and get it all going. And so our analysts are now producing good, credible data for our customers in really weeks flat. It's been absolutely amazing, so really happy. Thanks very much.
Oh, well, thank you, John. And actually it's really nice to hear that, because what we always want to convince people of is the fact that if they invest in our equipment, they will be looked after, there will be a proper handover. Absolutely. And it sounds like you got exactly that.
Yes, absolutely. So it has just been incredibly technically the technical ability to give us that support, advice, how to develop methods, how to actually develop products to our needs, and we do such a wide range from nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, all the way through to cosmetics, and even consent to discharge testing, environmental testing. Such a wide range, and Matt's been able to, and David's been able to tell us how to actually get the best results out of the instrument.
Well, thank you very much. So actually in this case it's the ICP-MS from Analytik Jena, right, which is one of the big suppliers that we work with. We do offer a lot of other solutions. And so what were the specific technical features that you found interesting? I know I'm putting you on the spot here, but do you feel that whatever was presented to you is actually materialized in real life?
Yeah, very much so. So you just hit the nail on the head there, that we wanted a new up-to-date instrument which was not only niche to the market but also could actually solve our problems. So size, big problem. We have such a confined space in our laboratories. The fact that it is on such a small footprint could actually provide that. Usage of argon, liquid argon, is so expensive now. The fact we're using cylinder gases, we are now looking at only a tenth of the price of what we were supposed to be using beforehand. It just goes on, yes.
Brilliant. Well, and this is fantastic because it's lovely to hear from yourself, somebody who's trusted what we said and saw it materialize in reality. So John, thank you very much. It's good to see you again, and enjoy the rest of the show. Cheers.